Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to access Instagram on your MacBook like an app. While there's no official Instagram app for macOS, we can create a shortcut that functions like an app for quick access. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open Safari or your preferred web browser. So I'm gonna open Safari here. And after then, you have to type on the address bar instagram.com. Now press enter to visit the website. Now we are going to create the shortcut. Normally, we have to click on this file button on the top and then we have to select add to dock. Now we can also give it a name. I'm keeping it as same and clicking on this add button. And that's it. Here you can see that an Instagram app icon has been created. So whenever I'm clicking on this, it is opening a new window, just like an app. You can log in with your email and password here and use it. So that's all about today's video. I think this video will help you a lot. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.